Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete your Instagram watch history. So, let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your Android or iPhone. Now tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. Now, select your activity. Next, scroll down and tap on Watch History. Here, you'll see all the reels and videos you've watched. Now tap on Select at the top right corner of the screen and choose the videos you want to remove. After selecting, tap on Remove at the bottom of the screen and confirm it again. Your selected videos will be deleted from your watch history. And that's it. That's how you can easily clear your Instagram watch history. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.